how are you all? Hope you all are good and doing well at home. Children, in previous video of GK, we have learned about domestic animals. Yes, so related to that, we'll do one activity, match the following in the notebook. Date you should write there. Here, in the first line, domestic animals. Underline it with the red crayon or red pencil. In the next line, match the following. Few words I wrote on the board as it is. I'll send you as a PDF to you. First word is buffalo. Buffalo gives us milk. So from buffalo to milk, you should join. Next word is donkey. Donkey, what donkey will do? Donkey carry load. Camel. Camel is a ship of the desert. Yes. So from camel to ship of the desert. Sheep. Sheep gives us wool. And goat gives us meat. This you have to do in the notebook. And after doing in a notebook, in your course book, page number 45. Course book, page number 45. Question and answers. So, in the given blank, you should write the answer. Now, I am going to write on the board. The first question is, name the animals that gives us milk. First question. After the first question, one blue big line is there. Yes, on the big blue line, you should write the answer. Before writing the answer, here you should write the date. So, answer number 1. On the big line, you should write the answer. Name the animals that gives us milk. Buffalo and cow. B-U-F-F-A-L-O. Buffalo and cow. Okay. Now, which animal gives us wool? Here you can write goat also. With goat also we will get milk. Which animal gives us wool? Sheep gives us wool. No need to write the full sentence here. You can write sheep. A one word answer you can write here. Sheep. Next, fill in the blanks. Dash, plows, field. Here, bullock, plow, fields. Fill in the blanks. First blank. In the first blank you should write B-U-L-L-O-C-K. B-U-L-L, bull. After that O-C-K you should add. Bullock. Next, dash is the ship of the desert. Just now we have done the match the following. What we wrote? Camel is a ship of the desert. So in the dash, what you should write? Camel. C-A-M-E-L, camel. Now take the correct picture. Here picture hen and goat gives us eggs. From where we'll get the eggs? From the goat and from the hen. Hen. Yes. So take the hen. Next, draws tanga. Donkey or a horse? Horse. So you should take the horse picture. Now match the following. Just now we did. Easily you can get. From goat we can get a meat. From hen to egg. From cow to milk. From sheep to wool. You should do the matching. Now children, writing part is over. Now it's time for activity. Shall we do one activity related to the domestic animal? Ready? Okay. Children, see, we have need a A4 size paper. What I did, I have stick a A4 size paper with a glue stick. I have fold equal. See, and I have draw a curve on it. Now, I am going to cut it. Now you should cut it. we got a curve. On the A4 size paper, I have drawn a face, a cow face. Yes. Now I am going to stick this face to it. Now legs, 4 legs and a tail. On a A4 size paper, I have drawn and cut. Four legs. Okay. Now a tail. This is a tail. And few patches with brown, or you can take a black color also. Stick anywhere on the body of a cow. And see, one pink color oval shape I have cut. Now I am going to stick on a face. See, became a mouth. Yes, now cow is ready. With the marker, we'll make eyes and 2 dots like a nose. Now with the black marker, I'll color the tail. Yeah, tail is done. Now legs. Now legs. With the black marker you have to do. See, a cow is ready. You can take a black paper and same pattern you can draw and make a buffalo also. And same body shape and 4 legs. If you cut it like this, and on that if you stick a cotton, it will become a sheep. So do this activity, take a pic and send it to me. Okay children, goodbye, best of luck.